Meaning of dog handler.
Dog handler.
Dog handler.
Dog handler.
Dog handler. A dog handler is a person who trains, manages and works with dogs in various settings, such as law enforcement, military, search and rescue, and hunting. They are responsible for the welfare of their canine partners and ensure that they are properly trained and cared for. Dog handlers develop strong bonds with their dogs and rely on their keen senses and abilities to perform their tasks effectively. They must be patient, skilled communicators, and have excellent physical fitness. In short, dog handlers are professionals who work with dogs to accomplish specific goals in a variety of fields.